Every day, I reveal exclusive, insider-only product intel. Subscribe to effortlessly make your hard-earned money count. You know, it's funny how we often assume advanced tech means complicated setups, but this iRobot Roomba 105 actually flips that notion on its head, making powerful cleaning incredibly simple. The field data truly highlights its surprising ease of use, with many signals pointing to how effortlessly it integrates into daily life, even for those less tech-savvy. What's more, patterns consistently show its intense powerlifting suction, tackling everything from daily dust to stubborn pet hair across multiple surfaces, leaving floors remarkably clean. This isn't just about raw power, though, as another key finding reveals its smart LiDAR navigation, mapping homes with impressive precision, ensuring every nook and cranny is covered, avoiding obstacles like a seasoned pro. It really is a rare high-performance unit. Verdict: this unit is perfect for anyone desiring a powerful, intelligent, and, most importantly, user-friendly robotic vacuum to maintain a consistently spotless home with minimal effort.